Firstly, the pre-expander is the starting point of production. It mixes polystyrene beads with steam and uses the internal stirring device to ensure uniform heating, causing the blowing agent inside the beads to vaporize and expand. Subsequently, the aging silo allows the pre-expanded beads to balance the moisture and pressure through static placement, improving the stability of the molding process. In the molding stage, it relies on a fully automatic molding machine. Its molds are precisely designed and divided into an upper mold and a lower mold. The aged beads are conveyed into the mold cavity, and steam is injected again to soften and blend the beads, filling the mold to form the shape of the cup. The cooling system is of great importance. A water cooling cycle is often adopted, which rapidly cools down the cup through the interlayer of the mold to ensure that the cup takes shape. In the packaging stage, the cup sorting machine first arranges the messy cups, and then the automatic packaging machine completes the packaging process. Through the conveyor belt, it realizes the integrated operation of counting, bagging, and sealing. These machines are linked through a PLC control system to form an efficient and stable automated production line, ensuring the standardized production of EPS's disposable cups.